Hello, everybody. How is life? I think you are passing a very difficult time. Alhamdulillah, I'm good. So, today I am here with a new topic, a common topic, specifically the two prepositions, for and since differences, when to use for and when to use since in English language. তো আমরা এই দুইটা প্রিপোজিশনের ব্যবহার দেখব। আশা করি আপনারা সাথেই থাকবেন। সো লেটস গেট স্টার্টেড। যারা ইংরেজি শিখছি তাদের কাছে একটা দ্বিধা কাজ করে যে কখন এই ফর এবং সিন্স এই দুইটা প্রিপোজিশনস ব্যবহার করা সম্ভব হবে। সো উই অ্যাজ লার্নার্স face such problem, which is how to use prepositions of time, since and for. We also have some difficulties with these two prepositions because the native English speakers use them differently in different situations. For and since can be a little confusing for us, for the learners, because they are similar and often translated in the same way. So today we'll learn about the different functions of the two prepositions for and since in English sentences. Consider the analysis with examples. We use the preposition for with a period of time, the collection of time in the past, present, or future. We use since with a point in time in the past. তো আমাদের একটা tendency আছে that we believe both the prepositions are most commonly used with the perfect aspect, the perfect tense. In reality, we can use all verb tenses with the preposition for. I repeat, we can use all verb tenses with the preposition for. But the preposition since is normally used with perfect tenses. We use the preposition for when we measure the duration, when we say how long something continues. Consider the examples. So just see, as I told you, we can use all verb tenses with the preposition for. Now check it out. The use of since. Since gives the starting point of actions, events, or states. It refers to when things began. তো আমি আবারও বলছি যে আমরা সিন্স তখনই ব্যবহার করি যখন আমরা বুঝতে পারি যে এই ইভেন্টটা, এই অ্যাকশনটা, বা আমরা জানতে চাই যে এই অ্যাকশনটা কখন শুরু হয়েছিল। So consider the examples as well. I have been waiting since 7 o'clock. I have known him since January. Sometimes it is unusual to use these expressions in the present tense. You see the examples. You can't speak, you can't use, like the sentence, I learned English for 3 years. Rather, you say or you use, I have learned English for 3 years. You also can't, as I mentioned before, you can't use since with all other tenses except the perfect tense. So you rather prefer the example, they have taught physics since, see the example. But you can't say they teach physics since last year. Anotherly, while we can use the preposition for in the simple past tense, we can't use since in the simple past tense. Since can only be used in the perfect tense. See the example. She went to Japan for 3 years. But you can't write, you can't use she went to Japan since 2003. It is correct to say I studied in Dhaka for 5 years. But it is incorrect if you say I studied in Dhaka since 1 month. That is how you are using the since and for. So that is for today. I believe you like my lecture. I think it might help you, inshallah. If you have any opinion, so don't hesitate to give your feedback. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.